If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen this, but for those that don't, I thought we'd do a little video on it. So this is about a picture, this picture, that my daughter did for me. So she gave me this for Christmas, and this is from the Mille Miglia. At the Mille Miglia, the night before you start, you go along to the church, and the priest comes out and he blesses the cars. It's a very important ritual part of it, because you need all the help you can get, and it keeps you safe. So we went along to that. It's quite charming. Got the car blessed, and then afterwards, there's a lot of crowd and people walk around. Yeah, that's a Renault Alpine, so that's a Renault 4CV with a different body on it. So it's very cute. We used a Renault 4CV I restored. We used it as a wedding car, so obviously that's the more normal saloon we did. This is it's going the other way now. And then this chap come walking it along with this amazing cat. It's a Bengal cat, I've been informed, and he's on a lead like a dog. So I've got a picture of it walking in front of this Ermini, and I sent it to my daughters because I thought they'd love that. They think it's quite cool. So then obviously my daughter Bella had the image from back then and decided, do that for Dad for Christmas. So there we are. So that's it. And I thought, we should revisit the footage from the Mille of that sitting in the square there, and getting our cars blessed, and we could also have a look at her process of how she does this. So I thought it was very good. I'm very proud of her. And I'm very pleased with this.